Hello, welcome all to the Cloud Guru. Today I am going to explain you a small tip from your computer or your laptop. Actually, everybody faced these kind of issues. What happens all of a sudden if your keyboard is not working and you have some more job to finish up? You are typing a document or doing some your office email and all the things. In that case, it is really annoying that your keyboard is not working and you can't type anything on your computer. So let's go. There is a good tip for you, a simple trick. Let's go and watch.
No need to worry if your keyboard is not working at all, or some of the keys are not properly working and you can't find it out where is the some special characters and all on your computer or your laptop. Just press on your keyboard Control, Windows and O button. You can see a pop-up window come up with on-screen keyboard. From here you can type it with your mouse, or else you can find it out which special character is missing and you can use that character with click and shift press and all the things. So entire keyboard is available on your laptop or your PC. Enjoy guys. Thank you.